to this sacred space. My name is Kalu and I'm also known as the Scribe Priestess. And on this channel, I make videos about spiritual practices, spiritual development, and our spiritual journey here on earth. And on this video today, I am going to show you what free writing is. Grab yourself something to drink and let's begin with this video. So you guys, we actually went already with the spiritual practice of writing, and I wanted to make this short video about free writing because free writing is the method that I mostly use on my spiritual writing workshops and everything that has to do with writing. So to me, free writing is like the basic method to learn in order for you to start your writing journey. So I wanted to actually teach you guys how to do free writing, and it is absolutely easy. You don't need a lot of things, and there are also not a lot of rules to follow, and the ones that are to follow are pretty much funny and easy, and it just invites you to write. So what is free writing actually? Free writing developed itself through another term that is free association, and free association is used in a lot of therapy settings. So the free association technique actually developed herself in the course of the development of psychoanalysis. A lot of therapists, just like Freud or Carl Jung, that were getting inside of the subconscious mind, did free association techniques in order for you to get closer to the subconscious mind. I don't actually agree with a lot of things that Freud did and the all practica of psychoanalysis, but for example, the way Carl Jung started to develop psychoanalysis and everything that he developed really speaks to me, especially his work and what he did with archetypes. But we're not going to talk about this because we're making a free writing video. So the free association technique is when you are associating freely situation, words, and memories of your subconscious mind in your dialogue. So you will talk and talk and talk and keep talking without paying really attention about what you are saying, or you are being encouraged to talk without having any type of barrier in your speech, so that you can really understand what's going into your subconscious mind. A lot of these therapies were done under hypnosis or under supervision from a professional therapist. And afterwards, in the 1973, Peter Elbow he was the founder of the free writing exercise. He invented the term writing without stopping. So writing without stopping your pen. And it goes back to this idea of letting out anything that is coming to your mind without stopping. So without judging, just letting everything out. And I love this technique because it actually has a very similar approach to automatic writing that is also done as a spiritual practice for channeling. But automatic writing for channeling purposes has a very specific development or a very specific way of attuning yourself prior to do the practice. And on free writing, you just have to follow the rules about it and just enjoy the writing time. So let's get through the free writing rules so you can get started on your free writing practice. The first rule is set yourself a time. So put yourself a time frame where you're going to be making the free writing exercise. It could be 5, 10, 20 minutes where you know that you're going to write non-stop. And for that time, you can put a timer, for example, where you're going to be really sure that for that period of time, you are going to focus yourself on writing. The second rule to follow is don't stop writing. So write and write and write. That means that if you get stuck in a moment or you don't know what to write, you can actually write that. So you can go, I don't know what to write now. I don't know what to write now. I don't know what to write now. Until eventually you become something else. The key part here is to let your subconscious mind talk freely to you. So really expressing everything that is coming from your subconscious mind to the page and through to your journal. It doesn't matter what you're writing, just keep writing. Don't stop, just keep writing. The third rule is don't pay attention to grammar or any misspellings. It's okay, this is for you, this is you time, and nobody is going to see what you're writing unless you want to share that with somebody else. And it is important for you to have this in mind. It's okay if you make misspellings. It's okay if you're not writing the perfect word, or maybe your handwriting at that moment is not very readable. Everything is okay. You are doing this exercise for you and only for you. And at you resides the decision if you want to share what you wrote with other people or not. But you can always get your free writing text and make another exemplar or another one which is a little bit more polished, so to speak. But your free writing text should be the most freely done possible ever. And then I like to put as a rule to have fun, to just enjoy the process, to really connect with you and with what your heart desires to write at that moment, to really explore on that time frame that you have for yourself. What is it that you really want to write, to put on the page? And the funny thing is that sometimes we start with, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, and the 10 minutes go by and we still are just writing and writing and writing because we're so inside or immersed with a specific theme or situation that 10 minutes can go by, or 20 minutes can even go by. The next one is that don't mind if you are going out of theme. If you are starting with something and suddenly you are just going into another direction in another speech, it's okay. Part of the free writing exercise is the free part of this, and this is why I love it so much, is because we may have an intention, and actually when we enable ourselves to connect to our subconscious, something else might pop up, and that's also okay. This is this time, space, and moment to let this subconscious just flourish and be as colorful as your subconscious wants to be. So whenever you are going into a detour from your specific theme that you had at the beginning, it's okay. You can always come back, or you can do it in another exercise. And the final rule of free writing is, if you do scratching, if you think something makes no sense, or that you have written something that absolutely doesn't sit with you, it's also okay. Make space for that uncomfortable situation to be there because it has come out. Take a moment to sit down with the emotion that you're feeling, and you can actually write about that. Write about what you're feeling and how what you wrote made you feel at that moment. That's the beauty about going into your subconscious mind, is that you can find layers and layers about this. It's actually very beautiful. It's actually mesmerizing to be experiencing as a practice. So you guys, that was it. That is everything that has to do with free writing. Thank you for having watched this video. And as easy as it is, as easy as it sounds, so is free writing. Remember, the fun part about free writing is that it's free. So a lot of the rules that I just said, I just find them as very freely, because you are not actually putting attention to a lot of things that we do when we are writing actually. So I love free writing. So I'm going to leave this video here. Thank you for having tuned in. Thank you for having watched and for being here. I work with writing, and on my workshops, I do free writing exercise all the time. And if you're curious enough to know about my upcoming workshops or how my spiritual guidance is connected to writing practices, I am going to leave my link down below on the description so you can go and check out my offerings. I am sending you a lot of light and a lot of love wherever you are. Take care, and we will see each other on next video. Bye!